What's going on everybody? Welcome to the Data Studios. Today we're gonna be show you how to connect your device to Wi-Fi. So at first go to your home screen and you need to find out settings on your device. So you see I mark up here is my settings and I'm click on it. Then again you need to find out a Wi-Fi option on your settings. Here is the Wi-Fi option. I'm click on it. After turning on your Wi-Fi, find your Wi-Fi configuration name. Here is my Wi-Fi configuration name is Capsicum and I'm click on it. After that they will ask for the password which you have already set before. So I'm typing my password. After typing your Wi-Fi password, you need to connect Wi-Fi on your device, so click on the connect. Here you see right now it's connecting. After connecting, you will notice a tick mark which means you have successfully connected to your Wi-Fi. And here's the tick mark look like. So that's it guys, that's how you can connect to your Wi-Fi on your device. If you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if you want to watch like this more videos, then must be subscribed to get update from our channel and show us your love by sharing our videos. See you guys on next video. Stay tuned with us. Tata.